So we've got Greg Minnick. Tell me a little bit about your shop.
I have 3 techs, 1 advisor. I've been in business about 12 and a half years. I started November 2007, right before the huge recession. So it's actually a really good time to start.
So what shop management system were you using before you went to Shop-Ware?
I've used several, but before this was Fast Track.
When you moved to Shop-Ware, how much pain was involved in that transition?
I'm a pretty big risk taker, so it wasn't that painful.
How long ago did you move to Shop-Ware?
It was roughly 2 or so years ago, I think.
After you've moved to Shop-Ware, what kind of efficiency gains can you see that have benefited your business?
I think, first of all, it's easy, very easy for the techs to learn. The staff can pick it up in a couple days, it seems like. With the previous software, it was very complicated, and it took weeks or months for them to really get comfortable with it. So, huge thing. Customers seem to really enjoy it. They like to see they like to get into the repair order and take a look at everything, and we get.
Yeah, that's a big point. You know, for my shop, it's huge because now the consumer can see how complex these operations are, right? And why it costs them X amount of dollars to fix it. So have any of your customers commented on, how they're able to learn more about their vehicle or vehicle problem?
Not necessarily on that, but I'm not working the front counter. I've got an advisor, so she hasn't given me feedback directly on that. I have heard from customers that they really like the software. Customers that I've known for a while, the long-term customers, I've had specific comments about the software.
Yeah, we had, my daughter works at the front counter, and we've had at least 3 customers that she has reported to me ask if we had this custom built for our shop. And because they've said that they've never seen anything like this in an auto repair shop. But yeah, Shop-Ware is, pretty beneficial. I mean, our guys on the inspection side, we used to use a secondary program that stood alongside of our original shop management system, and it was very convoluted, right? So you're doing double entry, you're trying to marry everything together. It was really hard for us to reference back. So say that car came back 6 months later and we wanted to look up the inspection form, and it was kind of hard to link the two. Now it's all just embedded. It's all one unit, right? So we're creating a data set around that vehicle. So it's pretty cool. So any other comments you'd like to make about Shop-Ware?
I try to sell it every time I get, even though I don't get a commission. I find it very efficient, very easy to use. And the people there are great. I've met quite a few of the people there, and they're all they're just quality people. So
as far as support goes and recommending the product, that's a plus for you.
Definitely. That's true with any business. It's as good as your people, and they've got good people there.